Hi all, a very good evening. So in this session, we will discuss about recursion. Recursion is very important topic in Python. So today we will discuss about that. Okay, so let's start recursion. See, recursion is a little important topic. Let me explain you. See, suppose I have a function. Okay, I'm writing here diff f1 and I'm giving some variable means I will pass something here. Okay, now see very simple. If I call it f1x, right? Or maybe let me write this like this. Give me a minute. Suppose I write here print x, and then I write f1. Just see carefully. This program is little important. I'm writing diff f1x, then I write print x, then I write f1x again. See, if you call this function, suppose I'm calling f13. Let's see what happens. Whenever you call f13, 3 will, sorry, 3 will go like this. So x will be 3. It will print 3. Then again you are calling f1 3. It will again go here. Print 3. Come here. Again f1 3. See, this is just continuously running, right? It will call itself, right? So, the actual recursion meaning is function is calling itself from inside the function. That is recursion. But definitely we can't use like this. Okay. हम इसको ऐसे यूज ही नहीं कर पाएंगे समझ रहे बात को क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या है व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम देयर इज issue in this what is the issue just let me explain you again so issue is very important just see when you are writing this function diff f1x and you are calling this f1x it will run one time but if you're calling like this f1x this is running like this. Just a minute. Which one? What happening here if you call this function f1x it will go f1x and it's continuous. Let me write this program. Let's go here. Suppose I'm writing this recursion. See, I'm making one function here diff f1 and suppose I'm writing x. Just see carefully. Then I write print x and I'm just calling it. Just see, I'm calling this f1. No, okay, let me connect. It's connecting. Just give me a second. Let me call this function. Suppose I'm writing 3 here. So I'm calling f1 3. See what happened. If I call 3 now, then f1 is passing 3 and then print 3. So this is happening like this. But here what I'm trying to do. I'm just writing f1x again. Let's see carefully what happened. Sorry, I'm writing f1 maybe 3. 3 here. Okay. And let me call this function. So first time, so no impact. Why? Because first time this is inside the function. So unless we call this function, this will not trigger, right? First you have to call this one, then it will go and then it will trigger because it's inside the function. So let me call this function f13 and just check what happening here. Now see, it's only we are getting 33333 and in the end it's saying maximum recursion depth executed while calling a Python object. Because see, this is already it's saying it's a recursion. See, it's already saying it's a recursion and saying maximum recursion happen. Actually, every machine has their own limitation how much it will learn, but don't worry about that. Let's see what is happening here. Don't worry about error. Okay, error is not because of code. Error is because of this machine. So don't worry about that. Let's talk. Let's see what is happening here. Actually, whenever we call this function f13, it will go like this print 3. Now we are calling f13. It's going here again 3 print 3. Again you are calling it's going here again 3. Again you are calling again going here again 3 print 3. So it's continuously running. देखो यार समझाओ मैं समझा रहा हूँ. We run this is calling automatically uh, same function. So that's why we are getting 3 and 3 and 3. But see, let me do one thing. Suppose I'm writing here, just see carefully. If I'm writing like this, if see there, see what I'm doing. If x is greater than 0, uh, x is equal to x minus 1, print x, else break. Let's see this. And let me delete this one. Now let's run it. Okay, what is happening? Break, 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 break. So else break. Else pass. Let's do this. Now let me call 3. See what happened. Okay. We have to call their f1x. Okay, now this. Yeah, see this what happened. We are passing 3 here, okay. 3, 3 greater than 0. Okay. So no, we have to print first. So then we are able to see the real output. Otherwise, we're calling like this. So I want to do like this. Now see this. See what happening. We are passing 3 here. So it will go here. 3 greater than 0, right? We will go inside. Then it will show 3. Then we are making 3 minus 1, so it will become 2. Then we are calling 2, F1 2. F1 2, 2 is comes here. 2 greater than 0, yes, it will go inside, print 2. Then again 2 minus 1 become 1, F1 1. 1, 1 is greater than 0, yes, is printing 1. 1 minus 1, 0. F of 0, F of 0, 0 is not greater than 0. So it will like function will complete, okay. So say here we are able to print 3 to 1. Suppose I want to print 10 to 1. So I just give 10 here. So it will print from 10 to 1. So we are able to now use this function at least. Last time, if you're not doing this condition, its recursion is continuously running and we are getting output and we are not able to do anything, right? But if we apply some condition, at least we are able to use this. So this is one simple example of recursion. But I want to give you another example. Let me write here the function. And that is really good. Let me write here. I'm writing f1x. See carefully, okay? I'm writing if x greater than 0, return x plus f1 x minus 1. Sorry, x minus 1. Okay. Now, see, I'm calling f1 with verb. And we will get 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. What is happening here? Uh, sorry. If just a minute. If x is equal to 0, return x. Otherwise, return x f1 plus. So we are passing 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. See what happened here. See this function, okay? Let me write here. It's very important function. I think it is little good. Let me explain in different way. See, I'm writing diff f1x. Now I'm saying if x is equal to 0, return x, else return x plus f1 x minus 1. Okay, and I'm passing that variable. Maybe suppose I'm passing f1 5. Now see what happened. If you are not 5, 5 is a big value. Let me give you a small value. Maybe I'm passing 3. See what happened. Let's analyze the output here, and please focus on it. It's really important. If we are giving 3, we are giving here 3. Let's go 3. 3 not 3 is equal to 0. No, 3 is not is equal to 0. So it will return, see, it will return 3 plus f1 2. कोई आ रहा है क्या अभी? और अब वीडियो स्क्रीन में आऊंगा, देखो इधर। तो 3 को जब मैं कॉल करता हूँ तो 3 यहाँ आएगा, ठीक है। 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 रिटर्न 3, बट 3 तो 0 के बराबर है नहीं, तो यहाँ आएगा एल्स में। और क्या रिटर्न करा रहे हो आप रिटर्न कर रहे हो 3 प्लस f1 2, 3 माइनस 1 2। ठीक बात है? सही यस नो? ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज से यस नो। Then what happened? Now it's become f12. So f12 is go here. Okay. Now 2 is equal to 0. No. 2 is not is equal to 0. So again it will come here, and output of this will become 2 plus f1 1. Right. Again f1 1 will go here. Is it 1 is equal to 0? No. It again come here. F1 1 output will become 1 plus F1 0. Again it will go here. Again it will go here. 0 is equal to 0. Yes. So it will return 0. X value is 0. So this value will be become 0. Now do the back propagation. We have to write 1 plus F1 0. F1 0 is value 0. So this will become 0. So 1 plus 0 become what? 1. So f1 1 value is 1. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 become what? 3. This become 3. So 3 plus 3 become what? 6. So that's why we are getting output is 6. Let me learn here. Give the value 3, and we have to give, and we will output will be 6. Okay. Now check it. Yes, we are getting 6. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया? Rough this, and I will giving one question to all of you to do the same question, like use the same concept for solving that question. So now I'm asking one question here. Write or recursion in Python to get factorial. So you know factorial, no? Like factorial of 3 is equal to 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. Yeah. You know factorial 4 is equal to 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So I need that output, okay? The whole value of this, like here factorial 3 factorial 4 will be 24. So I need that output. So just use this recursion concept, write a program, and that program will return factorial. Okay. So please all of you do this question.